Good afternoon, everybody. It is Sunday the 13th, and this is a 16-inch lava lamp. I do not know much about these lamps. Actually, I don't think that I ever remember seeing them up close. I had seen them here and there, maybe even a few advertisements of them, but never have I seen one up close. And it is really cool looking. I like the way that it looks. You can see the liquid there inside, and it appears to be like in an aquatic blue color. And there is the liquid material there on the bottom. I think that is what kind of makes the lava-like liquid in the lamp when you turn it on. It kind of looks like an egg yolk or something. It's very well built. This is not plastic. It seems like this is made out of some kind of aluminum, and this is glass. There's the power cord, and there is the switch for turning it on. This is kind of put together in a certain way, and I think the information is on the inside. And from the looks of it, I think that there is something, maybe like a bulb underneath, that lights up, and then it makes the liquid inside light up. And I'm going to show you something else really cool about this. This comes off, and you see a top on it like what you would see on a soda bottle. And so I think that's really cool looking. I'm going to very carefully take that off. This is the information here on the inside, and it's just like I thought. It has a bulb there on the bottom that lights up the liquid-like material. And this is the information here. Model is a 2000, and there are the electricals. It's rated 120 volts and 60 hertz and 25 watts. And it is China made, by the way. It has a warning label to reduce the risk of fire and proper lamp operation. Only use 120 volt rated bulb. Okay, I think we all get that. There's the bulb at the bottom. I don't think it's an LED light. Maybe it is, I'm not sure. There's the bottom of it. It's felt on the bottom, of course. There's stuff on the bottom that looks a lot like they put an egg yolk or something in there, but I don't think that is an egg embryo. So, I've tried looking up a couple of videos of these and couldn't find one that would give a review or even a demonstration. So I guess I'm just going to turn this thing on and I'm just going to, show a demonstration of it. I'm sure Jordan will like this too. So yeah, let me go ahead and get this thing undone and get it plugged in, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. Okay, so I have everything in the room turned off, including the TV as well as the lamp, and I have the curtain there closed to where it's easier to see everything. Go ahead and I'm going to turn this thing on right. I can find the switch now. Okay, I think that looks pretty cool. Not exactly sure how this works though. The stuff on the bottom is supposed to come up, I guess. Maybe you're supposed to shake it. Well, that's not an LED bulb, that much I do know. Not the brightest of a lamp, but I don't think that it's supposed to be. And I'm guessing that as the stuff on the bottom starts to heat up from the light underneath, that is when it's gonna start to surface up. Best way that you can see it is if you put it way up close to the lamp. Looks like it's starting to, you can see how it's starting to bubble there. So maybe as it starts to heat up, that's when it'll start to come up through the liquid. Maybe I should give this a few minutes and see what it does. Okay, so I did some research on this just now. I stopped the video through the editor and I watched a video on how this actually works. The stuff on the bottom is actually just wax, and the clear liquid inside is just regular distilled water. And as the heat generates from the bulb on the bottom, this is what causes the wax to push up and basically just break up and come up through the liquid. And from where it's colder on the top and it's warmer on the bottom, this function is what causes the lava to basically behave the way that it does in the lamp. And it takes well over maybe about 30 minutes to an hour. Maybe, in my opinion, depending on what the temperature of the room is. And I have the air conditioner running, and I think that's why it's taking a while for it to get going. But that's basically how the lamp works. And I think it's really cool how it all acts like that. I don't think that the stuff on the inside is dangerous or any kind of harmful chemical or anything in particular. And these things are also, from what I have seen, can be homemade too, basically out of materials that are bought out of Walmart stores and such. But some of those materials are no longer sold in stores nationwide anymore. But it doesn't have the same effect as the ones made in the factory do. And maybe you can see it, but it is starting to come up a bit. You see there on the side how it's starting to break up. And there on the center, that from where the heat breaks in through the wax, that is what causes a big glob, and that is what breaks the wax up, and then it pushes it up through the lamp. Hopefully that's easy enough for you all to understand. So yeah, very interesting little review there. Oh, there it is. It's coming up. Starting to do its thing. I'll give this a few minutes and I'll edit it until it starts to warm up a bit more. Ah, there it is. I think that looks pretty cool. Okay, everybody, I hope that you all have enjoyed the video. This is a really cool amp. Thinking about keeping this. I'm going to put it to good use, and I will catch you all later. Bye bye.